Have you ever wondered if the map you know is the full picture? What if everything we've been taught about the edges of our world was just incomplete? Imagine a colossal ice wall, a frozen boundary holding back the vast unknown. Now, picture it melting. Not slowly, not over centuries, but catastrophically, within a matter of days. This isn't just a climate change scenario. It's a reality-altering event. It begins with a single, impossible satellite reading. Temperatures beyond the known world, beyond the Great Ice Wall, are skyrocketing. They're rising faster than any climate model can possibly explain. On the ground, the consequences are immediate and terrifying. Gigantic cracks like lightning bolts in slow motion spiderweb across the endless expanse of ice. Walls of ice taller than our tallest skyscrapers, structures that have stood for millennia, begin to groan and then collapse into roaring, black, churning waters, and behind the crumbling ice, through the mist and the chaos, something is moving. Something enormous. As the ice wall disintegrates, the world's oceans react with a violence that defies all scientific understanding. Sea levels don't just rise uniformly, they shift. It's as if the planet's water is being siphoned away. Ocean currents, the very circulatory system of our world, reverse their direction. The Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, all of them begin to flow relentlessly toward the newly opened gap at the edge of the world, pulled by an unseen gravitational force. In labs and control rooms across the globe, scientists are in a state of sheer panic. Charts go off the scales and models break down. This isn't global warming anymore. This is a global rebalancing, a complete and terrifying rewrite of planetary physics. And then comes the discovery that no one, not even the most imaginative science fiction author, was prepared for. As the last vestiges of the ice wall vanish into the sea, a hidden world is revealed. A vast, new ocean lies beyond, warmer and deeper than any we know. Through the swirling mists, unfamiliar landmasses appear on the horizon, continents and islands that have never been mapped. Strange, iridescent clouds hang permanently in the sky, shimmering with colors we've never seen. The sun itself reflects differently here, casting long, distorted shadows, as if the very atmosphere follows a different set of rules. A radical theory begins to circulate among the stunned scientific community. This entire region wasn't just geographically isolated. It was sealed off, intentionally. The chilling question is, was it to protect us from what's inside, or to protect them from us? The first wave of advanced drones is sent through the breach, past the former ice wall, into this new frontier. The footage they transmit back shocks the world to its core. Gigantic flora, plants larger than anything on Earth, with bioluminescent patterns that pulse in the strange light. Animals adapted to extreme pressures and light conditions that should be impossible for life to withstand. And then the most startling discovery of all: structures. Not natural rock formations, but clearly artificial constructions, partially submerged beneath the waves. Towers and domes with geometric precision, hinting at an ancient, advanced civilization, or perhaps one that never left and is just now waking up. A new, terrifying scientific theory emerges from the chaos, one that connects all the bizarre phenomena. The ice wall wasn't just a simple barrier of frozen water. It was a complex planetary stabilizing mechanism. It regulated our oceans, anchored our gravitational field, and even influenced the very rotation of our Earth. With it gone, the planet is thrown into disarray. Tectonic plates, once locked in a delicate dance, begin to shift violently. Dormant volcanoes awaken with explosive force, spewing ash into skies thousands of miles away. But the strangest effect is on time itself. People all over the world report a subtle but unsettling change. Days feel shorter, rushed. Nights feel heavier, longer, filled with an inexplicable sense of dread. The fundamental rhythm of life has been broken. So, as we stand on the precipice of this new, terrifying reality, we realize the initial question was wrong. It was never just about what would happen if the ice wall melted. The real question, the one we are now afraid to even whisper, is this: was it ever meant to melt at all? And if this colossal barrier was holding something back, protecting us from a truth we couldn't handle, what happens now that it's gone? The world we knew is over. The age of the unknown has begun. If this journey into the unknown made you question the world around you, then don't let the conversation freeze here. Follow our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with someone who loves to explore the what ifs. Because some ideas are just too big to stay frozen forever. Thanks for watching.